Oh, hello, this is Tak Chong from Walk with Tak, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I decided to create this video to review the AROMA 14-cup rice cooker after talking to my friend George. He told me that he has been having difficult time cooking his rice. He cooked it in a saucepan on the stove. For me, cooking rice probably is the easiest thing that I do in the kitchen because I use a rice cooker. And with a rice cooker, there is no guesswork, and it turns out perfect each time. So George asked me for a recommendation for a rice cooker. And it turned out that there are many different kinds of rice cookers, vary quite a bit in prices and also the features that they have. I recommend this rice cooker to him because this is the same one that I use at home. Today, now they have very sophisticated rice cooker. They call them smart rice cooker. But this one you can consider to be a dumb rice cooker. However, this rice cooker has some very nice features. And one of them is this very nice aluminum steam rack, which you can use the rice cooker as a steamer. This rice cooker has an internal pot for cooking the rice. And the pot is made out of aluminum, and it is coated with non-stick coatings. This is an inexpensive version of the rice cooker. The more expensive one, the inner pot, is made out of stainless steel. The stainless steel pot is probably more durable, but it costs almost twice as much. For this rice cooker, the steam rack has a very nice feature because it sits directly on top of the inner pot. And it has its own handles, so make it easier to remove from the inner pot. As you would imagine, if you are not using the steamer, you can use the cover directly over the inner pot. And the reason I call this rice cooker the dumb rice cooker because it has only one button. In comparison to the programmable rice cooker, it has many options that you can choose from. In fact, I find it to be confusing. This AROMA 14-cup rice cooker costs $22 at Walmart. And they also sell a 6-cup version that costs $2 less. And you definitely want to get the 14-cup version because it gives you more flexibility. Okay, next let's cook some rice to see how it works. I'm going to use 2 cups of rice. To that, I'm going to add 2 cups of water. The amount of water you're going to add depends on the type of rice that you use. I'm using jasmine rice here. This rice cooker can accommodate up to 14 cups of cooked rice. Next, I'm going to steam some yellow squash as I cook the rice. This makes it very convenient, but you don't have to cook rice while you steam anything on top of it. You can just put water in the bottom of the pot. You will notice that as soon as I plug it in, the warming light comes up, and once I push the button, the other light comes up, means that now it is cooking. To show you how long it takes to cook the rice, I'm going to set up a timer right next to it. I prefer this rice cooker much better than the more complicated programmable rice cooker because they take more time to cook the rice. However, they do have more features, but those are the features that I might not want. And if you own a programmable pressure cooker, you will find that there is a setting for cooking rice as well. I have one of them, and I used it to cook rice in the past, but it turned out that they are more complicated than I would like, and I much prefer this kind of a simple rice cooker. There are definitely some comforts. All you need to do is to just simply press a button. This rice cooker is relatively fast compared to other rice cookers. By about 20 minutes, the cook button has switched to the warm button, which means that the rice is ready. Quite often, even after the light has gone off, it will take another 5 minutes for the rice to be fully cooked. Again, you can always adjust the amount of water that you put into it depending on how you want the rice to be. If you want the rice to be more soft, then you put in a little bit more water. I normally like my rice to be on the dry side, so I have this 1-to-1 ratio. However, if you want your rice to be softer, then you can adjust the ratio maybe 1 to 1.5. The steam basket is actually quite spacious. You can steam quite a bit of vegetables or meat in it. To be able to steam vegetables or something else while you're cooking the rice is very convenient because it's a good way for you to create a meal while you cook the rice. Rice has excellent shelf life. Cooked rice could be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. And for this reason, it is worthwhile to get a bigger rice cooker because you can cook enough rice that you can store in the refrigerator that you could be used later for making fried rice. To make good fried rice, you should never use rice that are freshly cooked. The best is to have the rice stored in the refrigerator for at least overnight. The ability to be able to use this rice cooker to steam food while you cook is also a great advantage. After George got this rice cooker, he told me that he would never have realized that cooking rice could be that easy. So if you enjoy eating rice, then the rice cooker is a must-have. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.